Hi, Alex. I was super excited about that conference which happens over the weekend. I'm like, there is no words to express my feeling and everything to meet you and meet the other people who thinks exactly how crazy we are and how fortunate we are to associated with you and everything. The main points that I really like about the conference is in this 2 days process, you teach us like the whole process from starting, like why we need to how we sell the business. Everything you covered, all the aspects, which makes perfect sense to anyone. I know we you have given us the modules and everything, and we gone through like one, day two, day three, like that one, like all the modules. But coming to your session and getting all those ones in 2 days time, with you giving like the live examples and everything makes absolutely sense to everyone. Along with that one, the second most important thing is it brings the spark in my son too. He is super excited and he is also shows much interest and enthusiastic, and it was absolutely our pleasure to meet you and associate with you. I'm just thinking like why I haven't met you long before. Imagine by this time I'll be where I am, but it's never too late, and I'm glad I'm with you. Thank you very much for your support throughout, and looking forward to see you soon again. Bye.